This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the SentriLock app. First, you'll want to download the SentriKey Real Estate app from your device's App Store, available for both Apple and Android. Once installed, activate your SentriLock account and create your unique 4-digit PIN and password. It's a good practice to open the app daily, ideally each morning, to ensure your credentials are updated and the app syncs with the latest information, preparing you for seamless property access throughout your day. Accessing properties with the SentriLock app is straightforward. Always ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for the best connection. When you arrive, press the Ent button on the Lockbox keypad to wake it up, establishing a Bluetooth connection with your app. Then, simply enter your 4-digit PIN or use your device's biometric identification, like Face ID or Touch ID, within the app to open the key compartment. For older, non-Bluetooth lockboxes, select View Nearby Properties in the app and manually enter the lockbox's serial number to receive an access code. The SentriLock app offers robust tools for managing your lockboxes. You can easily assign lockboxes to specific properties through the My Lockboxes section, ensuring accurate tracking. For temporary access, generate one-day codes or flex codes, providing secure, time-limited entry for contractors or other professionals. You can also grant Sentry Connect access to non-members, setting precise start and end times. Plus, the app allows you to view detailed access logs for each lockbox, giving you a complete history of property entries. Beyond basic access, the SentriLock app includes valuable advanced features. Be sure to activate the Agent Safety feature, which can discreetly alert your designated emergency contacts if you feel unsafe. For optimal performance, always confirm that Bluetooth, location services, and cellular data are enabled on your device. If the app ever stalls or has connection issues, simply force close and reopen it. For any time-sensitive problems or complex troubleshooting, SentriLock's support team is available at 877-736-8745.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.